Good morning, good morning. Today is Monday and it's the 5th of August. I am doing my grocery, midweek grocery, because we're running out of fruits and some other stuff. So I can't wait to share them with you in this shopping haul. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's start our shopping haul. I bought about $70 worth of shopping. I think it's about 68 to be exact, $68. So of course, first off, I usually pick up 3-liter milk. They are about $3.59 each. So that's one and two. So we have 2 milk for the week. I also picked up these kids blueberry yogurt in a pouch, so I actually bought 2 of those. I bought Parmesan cheese. They're about, I think, $3.79, so they're really good at Aldi. And because I am planning to do to cook a midweek mushroom and spinach pasta in white sauce, so I also bought this thickened cream. It is, I think, about $1 something. I have to double check that. So that's thickened cream, and of course the pasta to go with that. So I'm using fettuccine, so I'm gonna show you maybe in my next video how I do my mushroom and spinach pasta fettuccine. And to go with that is my baby spinach, so it's already washed and it's ready to eat or cook. And also picked up apple juice. I think they're about $3.99 at Aldi. This is really good for picnic for the girls or sometimes school lunches. Yeah, so that's there. Also picked up tissue box. There might be, I think they're like under $1, but I'm not too sure. So that's it. And so we have cotton buds. I think they're about 99 cents, I think. Alright, so if you can tell me how much you pay for cotton buds, let me know in your area, wherever you are, which country you are. So how much do you pay for cotton buds? So if you're in the States, please tell me how much Aldi charge you, or the cotton buds, how much is it over there? I'd like to know. We have brown sugar. This is $1.70, I think, for brown sugar for a kilo. That's there. Wheat Bix, we're running out, so that's that. I also bought wipes. This is for my daughter's school bag. I also got another one. I need this for the car, so baby wipes for the car. Okay, let's move on to fruits and vegetables. So this week at Aldi, these are on special, so I bought 2. We have strawberries. They are $1.99 this week at Aldi, so I bought 2. Yep. And the blueberries are not on special, but I like to have them. So this is $3.50. So if you are watching this and please tell me how much you pay for 125 grams of blueberries. To where you are, let me know, just comment below. So this is how much we pay here. Avocado is $1.70 today at Aldi, so I just bought one. I need that for my salads. Also on special this week at Aldi, sweet potatoes were about, I think, $1.99 per kilo, and I just got these for under a kilo, so they're about $1 or something. I'm not quite sure, I have to check on my receipt. And then I bought a kilo of pears. These are good for lunches and snacks for me and the kids and for my husband. So this will last us for a week. It cost me $2.99 at Aldi for a kilo of pears. And because I bought pears, of course, I bought bananas. So bananas, these are the packed little snackers at Aldi, and they're good for children's snacks because they're very small. They're actually cheaper than the bananas that you can buy per kilo. So these are the ones that are already packed. This one cost me $2.79, so I'm getting that. And apples, of course, we have Pink Lady apples. This is about $3.49, again for 1 kilo, and this will last us for about a week for a family of 4. Let me know how much do you pay for Pink Lady apples in your area. Please leave a comment below, and I will be looking forward to know how much you pay for Pink Lady apples. Also, the broccoli heads are on special this week. They were about, I think, about $2.99 a kilo, which I thought that was really a good buy. So I bought just one, and I paid about $1.30 for this one big broccoli head. So cucumbers are very expensive here lately, so they're around about $5 a kilo to $6 or $7 a kilo everywhere here in my area. So I actually find the cucumbers at Aldi a bit cheaper. So I've only bought 2. This will be good for snacks for us here at home. So that's 2. With 2 cucumbers, I think I paid around $2.50 for 2. So it's very expensive, as you can see. So they come about $1.25 each. So that, I also got tuna, 2 tuna chunks in oil and 1 in chili and onion, because we love tuna here at home. My husband and I are crazy of tuna, and I don't mind the tunas in can at Aldi because they're also very cheap. They're about $89 per little cans. So that, and also on special I picked up the bag of brown onions, or white onions, or brown onions. So it's Aussie ground, so that's really good. So this, I think I bought this for $1.99 as far as I can remember. So these would last me for at least maybe 2 weeks. And lastly, our favorite, and my little one requested to buy Little Snackers mandarins. So these are like a pack of little mandarins. So this is about a kilo. This is also 100% Australian grown, as you can see. So I think I paid about just under $3 for these little Snackers mandarins. So let me know if you like this haul, if you enjoyed this shopping haul this week for my midweek shopping top up. Let me know if you enjoyed this. If not, also let me know if you like to share comments, or also if you want to tell me that these are really cheap or very expensive for a weekly top up grocery. So I think that's it. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next shopping haul.